Inside Volvo's diesel engine factory, a look at precision and power. A wide aerial shot of the Volvo factory showcasing its scale. Transition to close-ups of the factory entrance and the Volvo logo. Inside Volvo's diesel engine factory, a look at precision and power. Welcome to one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities, Volvo's diesel engine production line. Here, cutting-edge technology and precision engineering come together to produce some of the most powerful and reliable engines on the planet. Inside the factory, clean, organized, and bustling with activity, workers in safety gear are operating machinery. Inside Volvo's diesel engine factory, a look at precision and power. Located in the heart of location, this Volvo factory specializes in producing giant diesel truck engines designed to power heavy-duty vehicles worldwide. With sustainability, efficiency, and innovation at its core, this facility is a testament to Volvo's commitment to excellence. State-of-the-art Volvo engine factory location. Cut 2. A tour guide or engineer introducing the factory briefly. Welcome to our production line. We're proud to produce engines that combine durability and sustainability for the toughest demands in the transportation industry. 3D models of engine designs on computer screens, engineers collaborating in a design room. Inside Volvo's diesel engine factory, a look at precision and power. Engine.